Hey everyone and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how I made these 3 easy Dollar Tree DIYs. I think this is going to be my last fall DIY of the season because I have enough fall decor up right now in my house. So give this video a big thumbs up if you would like to see some Halloween decor, and leave a comment with your favorite Christmas emoji if you are ready for some Christmas DIYs. I know it's early, but hey, we got to start it sometime. All right, let's get into this. So for this first DIY, I'm actually using some products in the house that I already had used like a year ago. I made a little 3-tier like cupcake stand. So I'm going to be painting this. So what I'm doing is I just kind of took it apart and I'm trying to get all the glue off because I used E6000 and hot glue gun before and it was really hard to get this off. So I'm just going to go ahead and sand the pieces that like the glue, and then just sand it to scuff it up and make it a little more smooth. And then I'm going to take it outside and spray paint it with my Krylon white spray paint. And all this is that I'm using are 2 of the little candlestick holders from Dollar Tree, and then it's one of those silver serving dishes from Dollar Tree. So since I already have that attached from the last project, I'm just going to leave it how it is. And I'm just going to use some E6000 and hot glue, and I'm going to glue the second candle holder to the bottom. So it's just going to be like just a tray. It's not going to be any tiers. It's just going to have one tray. And so once that is all glued together and painted, I'm taking this stencil brush that I picked up from Dollar Tree, and I'm just dipping it very lightly into some black paint, and then I'm kind of getting most of the paint off. I want it to be a very, very dry brush with just a little bit of paint on it, and I'm just going to kind of go around the whole entire tray and just make it look a little distressed. That is it for this one. I think it turned out so cute. I ended up putting this pumpkin on it that I got at Hobby Lobby. If you guys saw my fall haul, this was kind of my fall decor splurge of the season. It was like 18 bucks, but I did get it 40% off, but I think it looks really cute on there. For the second one, all you're gonna need is some foam board. So what I'm doing right now is just writing out the letters for fall, and I wanted to try to use like a font online, but I couldn't find one that I liked, so I just figured I would freehand it. So these aren't going to be perfect by any means, but once you slap that glitter on there, I think that they will look just fine. So once I drew out the letters, I'm just taking my X-Acto knife and I'm just going to cut those letters out with my knife. And then once you get those all cut out, what I'm taking are my 4 little Jenga blocks from Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to glue these to the very bottom of the letters to have them be like the stand. So I will say I had them up in my kitchen, and with the fan on they kind of blew over, but I don't have a fan in my dining room, so I think they will be just fine. So then once you're done with that, you're going to go ahead. This is just some glitter that I've had for years from Hobby Lobby. You can use any kind of glitter you want. And I'm just taking some of my Elmer's glue and I'm just going to kind of paint it on the letters. And you're going to want to make sure you get the whole entire front covered and the sides of the letters. And then you're just going to sprinkle your glue right on top of it. Or just kidding, the glitter right on top of it. And that is pretty much it for these. These were so easy and I think they're super cute. They add a little glam to the fall decor. So, and like I said, I saw these at Hobby Lobby and they were like 20 bucks. Okay, for this last one, I'm just taking these little Jenga blocks, and what I'm trying to recreate is those wood block pumpkins that I've seen all over the place. And what I'm going to do is just make 3 rows of these Jenga blocks with 4 across, and then I'm going to make 2 layers. So it's not going to be as thick as the big blocks that I've seen, but it's going to be a little thicker, and I think that it'll be able to stand up on its own pretty easily with the 2 layers. So I'm just taking my hot glue and gluing them all together. And so for the pumpkins, I just wanted to use all of the light wood because I'm going to paint them. So I went ahead and took one of the brown ones and I'm going to use that as the stem, and I'm just going to leave it the same color it is. And I didn't have enough. I wanted to make 3 pumpkins total, so I didn't have enough of the light colored wood. So what I did was I used the dark wood and I made these a little shorter. I only did 2 stacks. And then I did the 2 layers as well for this one, so they're just gonna be a little bit shorter. And then I actually went and spray painted these white because I'm gonna paint them orange, but I wasn't sure if the orange paint would cover this brown color. Once everything was dry, I just took my acrylic orange paint, and this I actually found at Dollar Tree. I was shocked that I found this there. And I'm just gonna go ahead and paint all of the pumpkins this orange color. And the cool thing about the shorter ones, since I spray painted them white, once I covered with the orange, it was kind of like a lighter orange, so they aren't totally the same color, they're a little bit different. And now for our last little touch, I'm just going to take a little bit of my twine and tie a bow around each of the pumpkins just for a little farmhouse added look. And that is it, you guys. These were so easy to make, and I think those turned out so cute. Those might be my favorite. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know which one was your favorite down in the comments below, and we will see you all soon. Bye.